Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by positioning the dock and making the first connections. Plug the official AC adapter into the dock and then into the wall so the dock can supply power. This prevents charging and connection issues. Next, run an HDMI cable from the dock's HDMI port to the TV's HDMI input so the display signal has a clear path. This is why an HDMI 2.1 or compatible cable matters for resolution and refresh rates. Once the cables are set, place your switch 2 into the dock. Slide it straight down so the USB-C connector mates cleanly, avoid forcing it. Turn on the TV and select the HDMI input you used so the console can send video. You should see the home screen in seconds. Make sure the console is powered or charging. If prompted, accept any display resolution change so the TV and switch agree on output settings for best performance. Finish by pairing or connecting controllers, and check audio routing in system settings so sound plays through the TV or your receiver. Make sure the dock's indicator light is on. That confirms power and output negotiation. If the screen stays blank, power off everything, reseat the switch 2 in the dock to ensure a solid connection, try a different HDMI cable or TV input, and reboot the console. This sequence narrows down whether.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.